Welcome to a minute of culinary delight. Today we're traveling back in time with Grandma's classic cast iron skillet cornbread. Begin by assembling your ingredients. A cup of yellow cornmeal, a cup of all-purpose flour, a third cup of granulated sugar for a touch of sweetness, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a cup of buttermilk, a third cup of whole milk, a quarter cup of unsalted butter, and a couple of large eggs. For an extra punch of flavor, consider adding 2 tablespoons of optional bacon drippings. With your oven roaring at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, place your 9-inch cast iron skillet inside to preheat. As it's warming, thoroughly combine your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk your wet ingredients together. Now blend the 2 mixtures, stirring just enough to combine. A few lumps are perfectly acceptable. They add to the rustic charm of the dish. Be sure to carefully retrieve your hot skillet from the oven, perhaps adding just a touch more butter for greasing. Pour in your batter, then return the skillet to the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Your goal is a golden brown crust, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once these benchmarks are achieved, allow your cornbread to cool slightly before serving it up warm. Every bite of this timeless recipe is a true homage to Grandma's kitchen. Until next time, happy baking!